Hello there people, today I'm going to make a quick video showing you how you can use the Supergate. A lot of people have had issues powering the Supergate. Now, this is an issue I had not too long ago. Like, I was struggling to power this Supergate when I was using the modern life support. There are two methods you can use, and I'm not sure that this is the one I'm using is the only method. Now, in theory, it's possible to use the SmartLink tool to link the gates, but I haven't had a lot of success with SmartLink. So today I'm going to show you two of the methods I know. I'm going to try and practice another method to power the gates, but this is one that's been, well, it's actually two that's been working for me. So I'm going to start with the one that I've been using for quite a while now. This only works with the older one, since you can actually link the Supergate, like a ZPM, directly to the Supergate, or even a gate for that matter. Like, here, I'll show you. This powers the gate up, so one ZPM, you can just directly connect it to something. Anyways, what you can do here is you see that we don't have enough power from a single ZPM to dial out or really do anything. So the way you can deal with this problem is by connecting several ZPMs. Now, you can actually connect a resource node to the Supergate. Look here, watch. I don't know where the mount point is on this gate. I don't know how you can mount a ZPM to it, like a node to it. I don't even know if it's possible. If someone does know how, then please PM me and I'll be sure to put it in a video. But for now, I'm just going to use this as the mount point. We're going to use 3 ZPMs to provide the juice, but for now, like, would 2 be enough? No, it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 ZPMs, including this one, to establish a dial out. I'm going to pull this one just so that it drains the power from both of these pretty quick. Oh. Now, you see here, the thing is that these ZPMs will provide enough juice and will basically be piped into this ZPM. Now, if this ZPM depletes, the system will be fine. It's still linked to the gate. This basically works as an input, and this is the output, goes to there. Now, you can power the gate with using a set of ZPMs, or you can always use a black hole. Now, a black hole allows you to hold the gate open permanently. So what I'm going to do now is just go to Wire Advanced and just disable auto close. Okay. So this gate won't shut down until these ZPMs are completely depleted, and yeah. Now, this gate uses an enormous amount of power, so if you're actually going to power it off something like a dozen fusion reactors, and if you're going to try and run a power supply, I'd recommend that you get a lot of power, because it's going to really suck like crazy using this thing. But, you know what, do whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Anyways, you can, like with black holes, you can only spawn one, and to the best of my knowledge, you can't change the settings in the panel, but you can always go into like the settings like in cap resources or cap and change everything there, so you can spawn like 100 or so black holes. But I would probably suggest it against spawning more than 20, because I don't know, it could probably cause a lag. But as you can see here, it's just drawing all the power, so the ZPMs have failed. So if you want to dial out again, you simply press E on the Atlantis resource node, and you just do that. This is the Atlantis ZPM hub, but it works as a resource node. So you can see here, we've got everything running again, so that you can dial out and do whatever you want. Now, if you want to do like a really easy and simple method, like you can use a tampered ZPM to establish a once-only connection. Now, the reason it's once only is this. Once you've powered this gate up, it drains power from this like crazy, and you probably wouldn't have enough juice for another dial out. You can use this to basically power the gate once only, and after it will explode. But this is a pretty good way to just dial out once, or just send something through, or, you know, just make a one-way trip. Of course, the explosion that comes off this can sometimes cause a lag, so if you're using an older computer, I'd recommend that you get better RAM and better hardware overall. Just really, if you're running on a decently modern computer, it should be fine. Even, well, it'll still lag, but yeah, it wouldn't be quite as bad. For those of you who haven't seen it before, that's what happens when you plug a tampered ZPM into a power system. It will explode like that. Now, there is another way you can get this to work. If you're using a more modern, if you're using the newer copy of Life Support and Resource Distribution or Space Build or whatever, or Custom Add-on Framework, you won't be able to link a ZPM directly to the gate, making the first Light D ZPM method pretty much impossible. The only other way to do it is to like spawn a black hole near the gate. Now what this will do is the black hole will energize the gate here, like in the show. Then all you need to do is simply dial out. You can also disable, I'll just disable auto close again, and that's it. Now you see, the good thing about this is that you can hold the Supergate open permanently. You can transfer goods through, life support, you know, the works. Now, if any of the carters, if you know another solution to this problem, then please do PM me. But if any of the Carter's Add-on Pack team are actually watching this video, please do something about this, because this is a real pain. But above all, you can do this pretty easily. It doesn't take long, and if you do need a Supergate, this is probably how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like it, leave a like and share it with others who play Carter's Add-on Pack, and well, yeah, subscribe if you want to. And if you don't like the video, then do leave a dislike, and please do leave a reason. That's all, folks, and I'll be going now.